Hello dear friends, so welcome to my channel. I'm Gerald Beya and I'm here to study maths together with you. Right now I'm a student at the university and I'm studying physics with mathematics as a subsidiary subject. So an elective if you want, and so it's a good idea to revise a little bit pure mathematics or basic mathematics. So today I'm revising the basic of inequalities, and so I will do some exercises just to see if you know your inequalities as you should. Okay, so the first example is just this one. So let's do it. Let me take the pen. All right, so first one is a, and it's going to be 2x plus 3 is greater than 7. I can put my x like this as well. It's a fancy one. I saw someone doing it and it looks great. So I'm going to put all the x's on the right. So 2x minus 7x is greater or equal to minus 1 minus 3, which gives us here minus 5x is greater than minus 4. And so here is the tricky part. What we should do now, we should divide both sides by minus 1, and when you do that you have to change the direction of the inequalities, and so you get this. Okay, and here you have 4, so x is therefore 4 divided by 5. So that's the correct answer. Alright, that was the catching point. So when you divide by minus 1, you have to change the direction of the inequalities. Right, that was the first one. Let's do the second exercise. So what's the second one? The second one is going to be b, and b is going to be 5 to 2x minus 3 is less than 2, 1 minus x. Okay, so first of all we have to defactorize, and it's going to be 10x minus 15 is less than 2 minus 2x, and so we are going to bring all the x's on the left, so it's going to be plus and less than 2 plus 15, since we are sending it on the side. So we have 12x less than, so that's 17, isn't it? And x finally is just 17 divided by 12, and that's the final answer. So here we don't have to change anything, simply because we didn't divide by a minus or multiply by a minus. So that's how you know if you have to change something or not. So we can go a little bit further. We can say 1 and then 5 over 12. We can say that this is our final answer, or a whole number and then a fraction. Alright, that was the second exercise. Let's look at a third example. And so by the way, usually I'm just making videos learning Spanish and Russian, but since I'm learning other things, so I think it's good to just to record what I'm doing, and gives me motivation and motivations, and also it helps me to explain what I'm learning. All right, since I'm a pedagogue and I would like to be a teacher later on, so I think that's a good idea. And so let's do a third example for inequalities, and here it's written 6 minus 7x is, wow, what did I do? Let's erase everything and start again. Let's start over. Okay, so let's do it. Once again, we're talking about inequalities. 6 minus 7 x is greater than 3, 2x, and then plus 5. Okay, I'm trying to use this fancy x way to write it. It's not natural, of course, but you really have to adapt to new environments, I guess. Okay, I defactorize this and I will put the -6 already here, and I want to bring all the x's on the left, so I will have -6x is greater than that's going to be 9, so I'm just going to scratch this 9, and here we'll have -13, isn't it? And so it's greater than 9, but when we're going to divide by -13, so if we divide by -13 here, we divide by -13 there, so we're going to have not this, we're going to change the direction of the inequality, and we'll have 9 over -13. So the final answer is this. I can put it at the front, I guess. Alright, that's the final answer. Okay, that was the last inequality. Do I have some more? No. Okay, thank you for watching. So remember, when you are dividing or multiplying by a minus number, a negative number, sorry, so you really have to change the direction of the inequalities, or it will not make sense anymore. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Cheers!